Hello there. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. I thank all, I thank all my subscribers and returnees. Thank you so much. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's channel again. Today, again, as I said last week, we were going to finish, but I didn't finish. So today, for sure, we're going to finish it, okay? The pant. Now, I finish all the inseam and outseam. Set the seam allowance and press it all open, okay? The inseam. So I'll press open. And then outseam, and then I've hemmed it. Okay, now the front, I cut my zipper and I made it very short and I back stitch back and forth, okay? Now, so again, there. Now let me turn into the right side, and today what we're gonna do is the waist facing, okay? So hold on. And this waist facing, I've walked you through it before. So again, I'm not taking you to the machine. And this part, the flap part, will be the last thing that we do, okay? I stitch the pocket, side pocket, and the front pocket before I stitch the side seam, okay? And then the back loop, that one you are aware already. So now, your waist facing, make sure you have the right and the left pieces at the right spot, because see, I put left, so I don't get it mixed up. Twist up, like putting the left piece to the right and then the right piece to the left, okay? So I've stitched it, I serge it, and I'm gonna put it on and I'll be back. But before I do that, let me walk you through how it's done. Let me pin it and I'll be back. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, on the right side, the facing, move this out of the way and then wrap it around and stitch 5/8 all around. This is on the right side, okay? Now on the left side, remember the fly, open it up and then put the left facing at the fly. So then when you finish, you flip it and this is how it will end up, okay? Again, on the left side, because we haven't stitched the fly down yet, so open it up, have your facing right at the edge of the fly piece, and then you stitch it down. You stitch this part first. Stitch this part first, okay? And then you flip it. You flip it back, and then this goes back. And then it will be like this, okay? So I show it to you what I'm gonna sew it, and I'll show it to you when I'm done, okay? So hold on, I'll be right back. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, I finished the facing and I've walked you through waist facing before, but this one, after you join the facing, you edge stitch the seam allowance towards the facing itself, and then you stitch the fly, okay? Then you tack this down. You tack the lap down at the end of the zipper, okay? But other than that, we are done. I had to go put the button on. I was a little bit crooked here, but it's fine. Okay, I had to put the button on. I'll stick the button and then I'll be all done completely. But right now, it is all done. Okay, and we finish this. Finish this. Next week, I'm thinking of this dress. Which one was I good? F. It's a Vogue 8927. Okay, size 8 to 16. Vogue 8927. Okay, and I'm thinking of doing F. Okay, there. And then after that, we will do this style 2303. 2303. This is an old pattern, so I don't know. But it's similar. They have similar ones with other patterns around. Okay? And something to wear around the house. I think I'm going to do with the ruffles. Okay? So we are done for today. Happy sewing. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye. See ya.